Good afternoon, Athens. Student meteorologist Michael Donehoo back here in the Weather Dog studio. Let's take a look at those current temperatures right now. Athens currently sitting at 90 degrees. Those dew points still hanging around the mid-70s, so those feels like temperatures still in the triple digits this afternoon. 100 degrees right now, so it feels hot and humid out there. Again, still warrants a heat advisory in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. Again, heat advisory is where the feels like temperature is 95 degrees or more for 3 or more hours, so we certainly qualify for that. Even some regions in northwestern Georgia could certainly be in this, so most of the region's going to be experiencing these heat advisory symptoms this afternoon. Give you an update here on Tropical Storm Beryl, still spinning out here, made landfall as our Category 1 hurricane earlier this morning. Still dropping some pretty heavy rainfall amounts here on the eastern section of Texas. Again, that front right quadrant of this storm is going to have the strongest winds and the heaviest rain. You can see those bands of heavy rain right along here, those reds and oranges. We even have some tornado warnings in effect right now. So that's definitely going to be the severe side of this storm. Bring you on right over here to Athens. Most of the region dry right now. We do have a few storms down here to the south, just kind of sitting there, not really doing a whole lot. But as you can see, we're going to take you on through the rest of the afternoon. Most of us, again, going to be dry. Maybe a 30 to 40% coverage this evening. Here we are at 8 o'clock. Again, most of the storms out to our west. And as we go overnight on into tomorrow morning, we do dry out, and those storms will be diminishing for a dry start tomorrow morning. Zoom it back out for you just to take you a look. As you can see, Tropical Storm Beryl likely to be Tropical Depression Beryl by Tuesday morning, and then by tomorrow evening likely going to be the status of a post-tropical cyclone as it weakens tremendously, but it will still be dropping some pretty decent rainfall amounts as it tracks up towards the Great Lakes. Here we are tonight, 75 degrees here in Athens. Again, scattered thunderstorms going to be diminishing as we go throughout the night, and as we go into tomorrow, mid-90s, 95 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Those clouds are going to really be locking in that heat, and it's going to once again feel very hot and very muggy out there. Let's get right into the 7-day forecast. You can see tomorrow's likely going to be the warmer day here this week. You can see actually a pretty dry outlook for this week until Friday, end of the week. Chance of storms goes up here to a 40% chance, and that's going to be the case going on into the weekend. But here we go again. You can see these temperatures just get higher and higher as we go into next week. So we got another heat wave on its way, and that's going to be the main concern as we go here into next week. So once again, student meteorologist Michael Donehoo, and as always, go Dogs.